If Clipchamp is giving you a connection error or saying it only supports certain files, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common problem when a file is in the wrong format. The name has special characters, the file is too large, or the browser cache is causing issues. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to make your video compatible with Clipchamp and get back to editing fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Clipchamp and go to the project where you're trying to upload your file. If you're seeing an error, the first thing you want to check is the file format. Clipchamp works best with supported formats like MP4, MOV, and WEBM. But even if the file extension looks correct, the codec can still be the issue. That's why the safest option is to convert your file to MP4 using H.264 video and AAC audio. This is the most reliable format for Clipchamp and usually fixes the problem right away. If you already have a video file, open a video converter or export it again from your editing software using those settings. Keep the resolution reasonable too, because very large high-resolution files can sometimes trigger upload or compatibility errors. If the file is huge, try lowering the resolution slightly or compressing the video before uploading again. Next, check the file name itself. Clipchamp can sometimes struggle when a file name includes special characters, symbols, or unusual punctuation. Rename the file using simple letters, numbers, and underscores only. For example, instead of a name with brackets, emojis, or symbols, use something clean and easy, like myvideo_final.mp4. This small step can solve more issues than you'd expect. After that, try uploading the file again. If the error still appears, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes old cached data or a corrupted browser session can interfere with Clipchamp loading and uploading correctly. To do this in your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cached images and files, and if needed, also clear cookies for Clipchamp before signing back in. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Clipchamp. Now re-upload the file and see if it works. If the problem continues, try using a different browser or switching to another Chrome profile because extension conflicts can also cause connection issues. It's also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable during the upload. A weak connection can make Clipchamp think the file is unsupported when it's really just failing to connect properly. If you're uploading from cloud storage or a synced folder, download the file directly to your computer first and then upload it from your local device. That often avoids sync-related errors. At this point, if your file is still not working, go back and confirm 3 things. The file is MP4 with H.264 and AAC. The name has no special characters, and the file size is manageable. In most cases, one of those 3 is the real cause. Once you fix the file and re-uploaded it, Clipchamp should accept it normally, and you can continue editing without the connection errors. So to quickly recap, convert the file to a supported format, check that the file type is compatible, rename it to remove special characters, reduce the file size if needed, re-upload it, and clear your browser cache if the issue continues. If this guide helped you fix the Clipchamp connection error, give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Clipchamp issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.